So hey guys, so in this edition of Tips and Tricks, you guys probably know about this one. It has to do with the key fob here for the 2018 to 2021 Honda Accord. It's a pretty neat little feature. So the car won't let you lock the keys inside. Now I've heard of this happening before where you actually could, so that would be a glitch, but for the most part, say your key's in the trunk. You try to slam the trunk. It just opens back up and it beeps. Try it again. Opens back up and it beeps. It's also good to know, say you guys are traveling and you might bring an extra key and you're wondering why your trunk's not shutting. Check it and make sure there's not a key left inside. So that's the first part. And then I'll show you as far as the interior goes how it works. And like I said, people have said they were able to lock them in their cars before, so that, like I said, that would be a glitch in the system not working. But so say you put the key here, and I have the walkway feature activated on this too. No lights go off. You push the lock button here, nothing, because it uses the proximity of the key to know that it's located inside the car. So pretty neat feature. It is definitely helpful, but like I said, I have heard that it actually allows you to in some cases. And I'll get the key out here, push the lock button, and it locks. Push it again, you see a light flash and it locks. So pretty neat, just with the key fob. I think, ideally it'll help you not lock them in the car, but leave a comment below if you guys have had this actually glitch out where you lock the keys in the car and what you found out. Did you take it to Honda to get it fixed? Was it an issue, or did it just do it one time? I'm curious, because I know the whole idea behind this is that you can't lock the keys in the car, ideally. But like I said, it doesn't work perfectly, what I've been hearing. So again, let me know if it happened to you or it actually didn't work. I'd like to know if it did get fixed. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. I appreciate all your support. I really do. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.